Yo. My name is David Osamuje. I'm the owner and founder of Artificial Design. So, without wasting much of the time, we're going straight right into this video. Yes, we're going to design for trend. Yes, trend design, t-shirt design. We're going to be using Canva.com for this. Please, I will advise you to watch to the end. If you don't want to watch the end, at least watch the first stage, which is the design stage, the second stage, which is the background remover stage, and the third stage, which is putting down your mockup. Then you can click off. But for that, you just have to watch the first three stages. So let's go into Canva.com. So we're going to be using Canva.com today to design this, and set your alarm, set it at 15 minutes. We're not going to use all of that. So just set it at 15 minutes, sacrifice 15 minutes of your time, and let's go make some design. So click on create a new design, custom dimension. The standard is 4,500 by 400, 400 here. That create a design, opens on a new layer, and this way the process starts up. You can decide to start your design. So now we'll go to upload image or videos. Then we'll go to pictures. Yes, this was a design I made. You know, the iPad was just released. iPad 2020 was just released. I think day before yesterday or yesterday, if I was not wrong. So I want to catch up with the trend, because trend following. Now you find some addicts, some iPhone, iPad lovers. You'll want these designs now, and if you're the only one providing this, then you get all the cash. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but it's called trend following. This is a technique in t-shirt design where you create design for trend, e.g., create design for Christmas, 2 months, 3 months before Christmas, create design for New Year, same amount of time, create design for Mother's Day, Children's Day, Father's Day, and so on and so forth. So that's the aim. So as you can see, it's correctly uploading. And gonna wait for it to totally upload. But while it's uploading, I just want to tell you, if you're just watching me for the first time, please, first of all, don't click off. Second, subscribe if you've not subscribed. Definitely, if you're watching me for the first time, that means you've not subscribed. So please hit the red subscribe button, make that great, and like this video and you enjoy it. If you just want to watch more videos after you finish watching this one I'm currently working on, you can go to my channel and scroll. I have about 70 videos up already. Yes, 70 in 2.5 months. That's a lot of videos, so you can just scroll through and watch as much as you want. So let's go back to our design. Now our design has uploaded. We'll just click on it once for it to appear up here. As you can see, the design is here. So now I'll just over my mouse to this edge. I press down my left mouse click button and drag outwards to increase. And once we've done that, we just over mouse to get that middle line. And next, we download. As you can see, there's a gold arrow here, that is to say, a gold crown, sorry, that is to say, you can use Canva Pro. As you can see, the free version. So if you want Canva Pro, you just have to pay for Canva Pro, which is $12. But if you already have Photoshop, or you have someone that has Photoshop who can help you with background remover, then the next stage we're about to enter is what you want to be doing. So you click on download. Click on download your design. It's going to prepare. It's going to download. You just wait for it. As you can see, it's downloading now. When it's done downloading, it has been done with the first stage. So now we'll just go through and check to make sure our download came out well without errors. As you can see, these are designs I've done in the past week. Canvas designs, and I've always showed how to move the background. So if this is something you want to learn, make sure you stick around and click through. So this is our design. Now we'll just click on right click, open with Photoshop. So I just want to say welcome to the second stage, stage 2 of 4. So welcome to the second stage, which is as important as the fourth, just as the way the third stage will be as important as the first and second stage. So I advise you watch and keep watching. So now what you want to do is click on this folded paper which says create new layer. You click on it once, then you click on layer 0, that is it. You can see that layer 0. Then you go to this magic stick, it's called the magic word tool. Click on it, then you click on the white. I'm going to select all the white and take that out of your design. So you just click delete on your keyboard and you got all the white out. But if you take a closer look, let me zoom that in. If you take a closer look, you find out you still have some white, for instance in the A, so you just click on that and click on delete. On the D, click on delete. You have that on the A again, you click on delete. So you just keep doing that for all the extra white you see. You see this process, to some people who are just starting out, it might look cumbersome and complicated. That's why they get Canva Pro. It's just about $12. But if you can go through this process and you have the time, which you should, because definitely this video is just about 6 minutes in, so you should have that time to do that. So now when you're done with that, we are left with design and there's no background, so we just click on file and save. Go to save as and go to pictures. So we can just go to pictures or download and just click on PG. It has to have background and you want to save it as PNG. Very important. It's very important you save it as PNG so that the white background does not come up, because you want to be able to upload it on different colors of shirts, mugs, the books, whatever, phone cases. Just click on save. Now your design is ready, but don't click off. If you want to learn how to promote on social media, don't click off. That's what this third stage is about. But with this, now you can go to sites like Redbubble, Match by Amazon, TeePublic, Teespring, upload your designs. Make sure you've uploaded about 20 designs before you complain of having no sale. Yes, I always tell people the fact. Upload like 200 designs, quality design, before you start complaining about no sales. If you want to make money passively, have a lot of design uploaded on this side and you're going to make passive income. So once again, if you've not subscribed and you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the red subscribe button, turn it gray, and make sure you smash the like button and share with your friends. If you think there are other people you would love to see this video, your family, friends, your loved ones, then please share to them and you're good to go. So now let's move over to stage 3, which is putting our designs on the mockup. So I'll just go to pictures, mockup, hanger mockup. If you check my videos, like if you go back now to my videos, you'll see all my designs have this hanger mockup. You have this hanger mockup. It's what I use. It's my favorite. I enjoy using it and I just use it in all my videos, and you guys love it because pretty click-through rate. I know you guys love it. So just delete this dog, delete this too, and now I'll just bring in my design. I'll go to pictures, and iPad. So this is the design. I just drag it into and put it into this empty space. So now I'll just reduce this. So to reduce it, let me show you the process to reduce it. You hover your mouse to this edge. Normally when you're dragging something to a free element, it's going to give you this cross sign. So all you have to do is hover your mouse to this edge and press down 3 buttons, your Alt key button, your Shift key button, and your left mouse key button, and drag inwards to reduce and outwards to increase. So now we want to drag inwards to reduce it so that you can place properly on our shirt. And when we're done with that, we just press enter. And now we go back to file and save that. So when we're done saving, we go back to our shirt. As you can see, we have it on our shirt. So now we want to change the color of the shirt. So you see where it says shirt black. You see that's the way it looks on the white shirt. So let's see the way it looks on the black shirt. That's the way it looks on the black shirt, on the blue shirt, the yellow shirt. That's the way it looks on the yellow shirt. I think I love this design. I love this design so much. I love it on the yellow shirt. I don't know why. It seems it looks catchy or something. So I'm just gonna save this. Should we try a pink shirt? Nah, not so cool. Not so cool. But with this, looks super cool. So I'll just save that. Okay, just save that. You can see your design is there. So now you just go to File, Save As, and just save it as iPad. You want to save it as JPEG because now you see this your saved file. You can find Instagram page to iPhone fan pages on Instagram, Pinterest, WhatsApp. That's your WhatsApp, Facebook, and you just message the admin, messaging out the pages and tell them, okay, you have a match you want to promote on your page. How much will it cost for so time, so period? And you guys make out prices, and just when you guys make out prices, by then just make sure you've uploaded your design to all your print on demand sites, Redbubble, Publicity, Spring Match by Amazon. Make sure you've uploaded to all these sites already. Then you send them the link where they can get the shirt. Then you promote it, post your shirt. On those sites, you can get human figures wearing your shirt already. So you can send them those pictures too and they'll promote it. And I'm definitely sure you're going to find people who are addicted to the iPhone, iPad. They will definitely get your designs. They will love your designs. And they'll buy it. And once you start buying, make your first 10 sales, print on demand side, you start promoting it organically because you've gotten the trust call you need for your design. You start getting promotion. And you can see it took us 12 minutes. So to your right, you see a playlist. To your right, yes, now to your right, you see a playlist. If you enjoyed my video and you want to watch more, click on that playlist and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day. Bye.